Inti ejato pizeta eye mwankasa mo private property a aban na ntam sika mbro. Bawumia na wanya sika fumi na ohun de onfanye. Ena onim se mo ye easy to dey manipulate. Wo hu se mo agimi into the 1,000 cement abremo. Or the 1,000 cement be rule mu bia kopim se mo be di 60. Moya mo dross mo kan mo munim de ekọ. Ghana youth are mo shame around the world. This is good news. The distractions in Ghana there, you should forget. Distractions there. MPP 4% more distracted Ghana for with Jandam and the lies. Me say MPP 4% more distracted Ghana for focus. Sa abana modema John Mahama, he is delivering and he will deliver. The NDC for in do 3 months solid on the 7th of April. NS 3 months. John Mahama be the president. Sa 390 days. Oh, some AC. Aha. Until next time, no. Oh, to ababa nyanse. Oh, nyanse ni odi be di usro di esi. And it's na debia to ababa nyanse ni to ababa party nyansa fo wom. And this is why within less than 3 months you are seeing what is happening. Now see. And we are Ghana ni young man now shemia. A year ato forcing or your finance minister by parliament. Ebe catch Ghana for say John Mahama share Bobi. Oka se monfa to me emano. Munya ni mujidie. Na betting tax na ekufu adomo. Ede den area ede the young people and so because you say nkwara na twa bet oboa. Ma menchiro. Omo twa bet power Ghana omo di 55 to 60 years. I'm telling you. Me say so bit na baby catch you say omo mutwa bet no young men of today they are lying to you. Young men of today don't need this come twa bet. The people who invest a lot in betting in Ghana are people over 45 to 60 years. They are the ones who bet a lot in Ghana. Go and do your statistics and see. Inti the betting tax na ye free or no. Memo bin try be say youths no. No. The betting tax ye free or no. Impedifo no krampo na Nyankopon aboa ma John Mahama yi bed in free oboso. The youths have been used as their smoke screen. The youth na be di enim and da Ghana for say youth in the twa bet youth no. Uyi Ghana youth 10, emu be 6 pe twa bet. Uyi Ghana nkokora mpenifo a omodi over 45 years to 60 years a. Emu 9 omu twa bet. Emu asofo, emu teacher fo, emu police fo, emu ahemfo twa mu twa bet no. Sa 45 over no, omu twa bet brutal. Especially ahemfo. Undi ahemfo bi twa bet wo Ghana no. Ene ahema bi okona so mo twa bet na mo te ho anoma yesi o ma calculate adjust you be she PSG bet draw we dey 2 and over me twa bet me twa over ne sa anyamanyama no over 2.1 ne hiafo ne twa sa ade no ye dey yi 3 games straight up 30 minutes amfa na amfa me twa bet $500 2 games first 30 minutes 2 goals amfa na makoda me need time for and at 2 over and under. For the yes are over and under 2 to score 2.1. Miss Anya madam, I don't go there. I don't have time. Me for na omu chuche avieta ne 2.2. I'm gonna say Miss Anya on your some bet in odds no calculations hunu for and away 0.2 and over underscore and overscore. Me try bet at 3 games. First 20 minutes buy and 2. Now the 2 goals are man $500. I'm the 2. Me try 2 games, 3 games. First 30. Me try me bet over 30 minutes. Apo. Now we are here. Who try bet over 30 minutes? Now wakuma yari aba. Now we TV who 10 minutes. Hey. Me nya code make you. Me try esika for bet team near ko. It me try 2 games. $50, $300, $400. First 10 minutes, first goal, second 10 and one no. First half you win and one me ko be nim. Me need time for and I'm better game back home. Game minimum FC adjust you. You may be on D, you know. Me name my wife 2018 in Ghana. Adjust you. Now adjust you ne a year FC Nantes. Adjust you ne it's a French team. Obo game 2-2. That time we try no adjust you lead 2-1. We try game you know. That time those time 2018. Now me baby di a year 80 million. 80 million. Why not catch my visa? If you am near joint board and someone hold more opposite the police station for saying a check. Oh, there was a joint opposite the Dansuma police station. Your friend one dance money more. there's a joint. There's a joint to be or Dansman police station joint to her. Now was had on rice, fried rice, jollof, and SIA a joint. Oh, DB. Jack, and I'm the wife movie. You do what I'm catching will be out also 1. Say game now I can bet 10 minutes near pong. I just will lead it to 1. I can bet 3 minutes near pong. And yet Timberland. There's another one there. I feel because now I'm a German call for a good house. Oh, I'm talking about Sahara. Police quarters now, and a star bite. Police quarters now, on opposite. This joint a chapao. Oh, maybe so I feel about Kaibi. And a Kit Kat. No, it's not star bite. We at stop Sango from going away new. Yani oh Jesus, I'm 2014, 2013, 2014 at Sunday. Home style. Hey, Boake, oh yeah guy wati. Home style. Boake, oh yeah guy wati, oh yeah guy. Dance my home style. Mati German call for home style. Mati German call for. Oh no, home style. Oh no. Good evening to this man. Oba on the parties on my table. Hanam so many parties I table ha. Me karata near about Nations Cup. Is it 2019 and 18? A year Bansi. A U4 player no Burkina said the Bansi. Nan so Tori she inside or wife you walk right corner. A man for him the oko. Home style. Home style. OGO. Unya OGO undi ameke kano. Me kwa mati German call for oh table be a momo 1-1. I got 3 minutes near pong. Ah me fry another club me ya panyan. Adjust your man go for Laticano. And then I said, I told me so adjust you. Into me bet in my church when you know. And now I'm better like I say, Eden Yami, Massa. If you ask me to know, your baby and Jessica, making sure say, Unkunya problem. Oh, better so I'm wide mundaho. Betting a addictive. Ujimie bekum. Into so cast over betting and make sure you restrict yourself sometimes. Betting at the so be on drugs. If you are not intelligent enough to control yourself, it will destroy you. I am not the one to come and counsel you on that. You need to know that betting is addictive and that to be part of betting, you need to psych yourself not to be addicted to betting. In the end, year 2 for no near my own dear co. Jack, major club about Quaba girl about could be so my club about me. The men says for my I check my phone at 2-2. Adjust you. FC adjust you, but my wife. You don't feel about that. Metia so more second division, Monsieur Mungutimono. The adjust the IM Ghana no. Right now, no, the whole thing is the finance minister came to tell you say a year budget or the assembly by say omobecha a year betting tax. Now Parliament passes bill to abolish betting tax. Adia Ekufuado ne Bawumia Kennedy Japan or say mensa bonsumitina Parliament Ekufa beshe mukono and the John Mahama and then the NDC no omako Parliament ako yefri ho. Right now, no, John Mahama also ordered in sa eshekratase na enwano no. Enti by next week Tuesday die. Ebi kura ochina. John Mahama den nsa behasiye na betting tax. I understand friend bet tax. And a betting tax no. John Mahama ne NDC omo yefri omo pre omo. Hey. We na enyansani oka asem chiro a odi so. NPP for idea bi so omo ba omo besa the betting tax aba. Mammo bi am omo chance no. That is their plan. Now, another good story so e-levy MPP4 Edibeto Ghana for so ye can be bia omentie no and the John Mahama ne NDC through a finance minister no omo wie budget no omo de akọ parliament emoma eden omo abolish and say omo e-levy free emission levy eye enwusie levy no ye free ho. As I speak to you, no, in Wusie Levy na, Ekufuado mo de baye no, ochina na Monday, John Mahama the president, or the Nensa Ebeshakratase, na we yi eno so efri ho. Sa tax John Mahama kan wasem so obey ni COVID, obey ni nyina. Kadan kakra, obey say adwuma ni nyina. NPP for idea bi say, omo ye jimi ya woni de tumi ma omo bi ma, omo de e-levy beba, omo de emission tax beba, omo de betting tax beba. Men ye mistake. Upon the catch be a because omo idea be say a betting tax on Besako Faba. Afenyo Markin any NPP for a meeting. Omo chairman no general secretary Kufuado ne Bawumia Matinasi say they want to bring back betting tax because omo catch Ghana for so be kipi. Inti mema Ghana ni bia nya mistake. Emission, e-levy, COVID, ni nyina John Mahama be yefrio. MPP 4% almost sade ba. Mema Ghana for opportunity be ever because it's part of their manifesto. They are writing their 2028 manifesto small. Omo dia shem manifesto ni say eye 2028 no omo ba ombesa the e-levy aba. Omo ba ombesa the betting tax aba. Omo ba ombesa the emission tax aba. Omo ba taxes a John Mahama etwam ni nyina no ombesa the aba because omo hu ni say e was say omo nya sika na omo bu Ghana for. Until nobody should take the NPP serious. Nobody should give them any opportunity to even come back and try to do that. It is a stop it side away forever and ever. Nobody should give the NPP any opportunity to come back to even win 80 seats in parliament again. We need to lower the number of seats they have in parliament to 24. Because you have more opportunity. Adia John Mahama clear or you be possible to get rid of these taxes. Very important. All right. Now, my men child the echo, yes, BBSC, Enra, yes, say the Interior Minister, Muntakas echo asantimemu, and Sebio, PZ, enya obiadia, enya bindia, Ghana for mua santimemu, emubi, etonwadia or jato hono. Eye Muntakas Mubarak, or Interior Minister, Eddie Dianica cra, any anwaka cra, Eka say Sebio, enyo obiana Sebio, na owedianu fear, ejato ho. Sebio ye onkofo a omono bojobojo na omoye omoni market akese e PZ ho na ejato ho no omoso obi wo ha anajo ana opon wa ni tomatoes kiti obi oton ana ni toothbrush bi do oboaboa no de kosi obi store enim e na okoda baby saa nkofo ni nyina no omudwetire obi wo krompo a ade oton ye no Sebio na ebia oton nya adro kakra na oton belt oboa ni nyina no ni sika ni sales nyina ode hye saa botom na okyekyere ye e na ode ko hye obi store enim because onim say ho is safe. Adiachia oba besesa na wakode nim. Now eja to homa sankofo ni nyina mo ho aka. Enti Muntaka any NDC for any aban we ka said abi. So wo picture ni big sa anaka kraka sa say obi a wo stock kese bia wo ho bia na ho kan ya na Sebio wo ya aban a wa adwene no Sebio enkofom sa. Enti Muntaka as Interior Minister na tena ase hu said abi. Picture no we are looking at the bigger picture but there are people down there ade we affect your man. And what's here find the way near solving almost problem kakra because aban entumi solve problem ni nyina sisia. Enti Muntaka oya Interior Minister ne ka say omo hia de emo kakra enwa angwa kakra saa nipa no mo ye bojobojo kakra no omo de Sebio obi mpo enke bi mo omo ni sika bi de fie because stores akese hye no omo stores akese hye no omo sisi omo dan omo aduane ofie saa nkofo no Sebio omo sika papa bi da bank na bojobojo no mo hyehye ase no omo ni saa sika ne bi nti Interior Minister Muntaka ka say then I want to take a little bit of food to this place na me nchema bojobojo na me kan baby obeda kra den Afenyo wa start adwuma kakra Muntaka Mubarak koduru Kumasi eno ka say oh Sebio PZ enya ban dia saa stores amu hu ha nyina no stores no individuals dia majority. Now ade individuals dia de Sebio atoyira nchema to individuals anka wo hwemu pa anka say individuals anka sa na find almost solution because so was store PZ was all insurance. So what to be called $200 million and $200,000 and $500,000. Now the begu stop with PZ today. It means you should have insurance that is protecting you. And to be very honest with you, the government is not obliged. Government, you know, in Sebia and Dabine say also Tamsika Pudio Edinburgh will be our PZ. But Abaya Enimiansa a Ghana for no. Debiano Jini omo form any omo wasro. Into Muntaka say yankoma ebia bojobojo for no tomatoes for no kobi for no obi oton belt me ensambi obu ha bi ofi twapiase na obetena Kumasi Afenyo o start bibi obu ha the toothpaste bi na egu table so obobo no dis obi sto anim ase yanhwe se sankofo ebenya aduane kakra mo modia Muntaka ekoduru asantimemu PZ or the aduane Paul 1,500 bags of rice. And or the anwaka ho and I say my ben me banasum yem me kura Muntaka me ya chiriwia me enkremoni anka o me that there because chiriwia me yem kom but Muntaka Mubarak ka said abi ni nuanom Ghana fo ho akire omo ebi be yenkremufo ebi be ye Christofo enti oman we ene to abama me sebio omo mo de da form ni omo mo de da store mu ene omo mo ofie no omo no to abama ye enti at least ma me nko boa eye de Ghana fo wanka say we ana we Muntaka koduru PZ Kumasi ewa santimemu no edwadifo ni bia omo ho no say na omo ka kire Muntaka
says any edge my back. I don't know. I'm on a rebrand. If I'm on your day. If I'm on your shade. What's the make a hot say? Your person won't just my yes, as the more part of the edge my back. And run it from then to see them. If you are being what him will be. If I'm on your shade. If I'm on your shade. I'm I don't smell yes, man. You're near tomorrow. I don't guess. Oh my God, you never me again. Maybe I say, maybe I say, I'm a family, so I don't come there.
Now you ask yourself, Babu Sound say, PZ store ben ya bindia. PZ ne ohono. Asaseno ya bindia. Dabi. Stores na omabe bie ohono mono. Sa stores na ya bindia. Dabi. Sika na omunya. Nyoma omuton emfaso na omunya no. Omudi bia ma aban. Dabi. Enti why na at this point? Obetima ka chem say, eya nhye ma aban say e wo se aban yi ni botom sika. Edeboa PZ for. Omo ton nyoma PZ. Eya by responsibility so obeji insurance amomo. Eya omo nkasa responsibility na meboa. PZ asase omo to na abrante ne ka se ye nananom asase no. At the end of the day, say omo nananom no mungu menhia. Iti wan na eba beje wo nana asase free wo nsem. De bia ye ka asem wo ha. Asantifo ni bi ye mmoa. Yeah. Samo immebunu na dodo na mo asantifo no mu bi mu agimi eno ntina MPP use mu se moa me kana mu buofu ba no kona me ka kire no store ben na asho pizeta eye aban ena ti sika bieye store ben na asho pizeta eye muntaka ena ebieye ade bi eja to mu pizet bia no eye individual investment etisa wuti wo fie na eja to mu. When you build your house, you have the right to put insurance in place. Send a beya eja to fie ni mu a wa be ko insurance aka say eja tom me wodien insurance ntimuntua me motete store ni mu wo ho sika moji amudi ye mudi bi ebo preman. At the end of the day da ben na aban ba ye say sa asase na motese no e ne dia na monfama no mumu bi mu agimi enu ntina MPP hu asantifo ni bi mumu mbebunu ni bi se mo ye nwan enu ntina mo treat mu se moa. I'm telling you. Until last me kanu ha. Me say asantini a wejimi e de se mbranti we ya. Na wo kobra. Mantama asantini no because ha asantini oye dangerous. Ni jimi no oye dangerous chen kobra no. Ebi na we hu no TV so no. Enti me busamo na mo nyini na mo hu samo na nanom asase no. Na e wo na asase a ade na wunsi. Ende wan gaze ko pe cement si wo na asase so e. Na wo na nani ho. Ade na mo nkom na ho nkwaje cement. Emua mumubi mwajimi yedi anyini ya no yedim se na asase sa wo na asase akohwehwe wo na nakwaje cement mumubi mwajimi enintina moye tuntum mubi mwajimi amotewa mo IQ ni wo fom enintina o se chemensa bonsu ekufo de tumi di akonwa besi asantemem no wadi mu atam di mu hena atam no asore ko because mumudodo no adwene wo fom. PZ abandia. What Muntaka was doing to me, I wasn't expecting him to do it. But he being a reasonable human being, no, he felt to say, some people there, na Bawumia kwa siya koto cement abrawa, kona na hoko cement ni bisoswe. And into na MPP for de biya omu chiti muse mwa. Because you see, you people don't want to give yourselves the room to reason beyond your stupidity. Mujina PZ, moton ade na mo de mfaso akodi che. Mudi akodi ejantra fo go no fo. Kwasiafo eja toma aban na enkotam sika every Bank of Ghana fambrɛ. Na wona nana odi asase ne ma wo no. Wona nana otam asase ne ma wo no. Wona nana obutu oba so kɔ no ho kɔgi sika kwasiafo. Kevin de sia ne nsɛm na no eden. Jaihwe abofunu. Kevin de ene de nsɛm kan de mususu bisi jaihwe. Kwasiafo munye sika o PZ na la kɔtɔ red. Mu hu nyina John so mu hu bon John so mu asantefo mbrantie ni bi eni ti na MPP use mu agimi ene enyini ye no ye beto ye na o beto wo nana o ba ye gata da ho ene ne da ho wo na ewu ma na ba kwa ba ma na ewu ma ma me aba kwasea wo na wo te gata no ho mo ye lucky say jane to ho na mo nda ye ke be hye sem emmoa mu bi mu agimi. It is not the responsibility of government to come and build that thing for you. Oko kantamanto eja to ho no. They found a way to build their market. Inti eja to PZ eye mo ankasa mo private property aban na ntam sika mbro. Bawumia na wanya sika fu bi na ohu de onfanye. And onim se mo ye easy to dey manipulate. Wohu se mo agimi into the 1,000 cement abre mo agimi or the 1,000 cement be rule mu bia kopim se mo be di 60. Moya mo dross mo kan mo nko school. The money man say ye de ya ton chains akoto red anom kwasea oje se Ghana nyina ni Kumasi PZ. Huh? Oje se Ghana nyina ni Kumasi PZ. Ye mfa Sudi insha jeans ni emagina kwa homprum. Anything a majority of you maya sansafo. Don't get me wrong. Mo asantifo ni bi mo baburu no bi mo agimi. Asase na da ho no. Da be na mo realize say e mo na asase. Aban de wasase ye den. Aban wants to help you. You people, majority of you are foolish. They be a makame say. Uyi asantini a wejimi because there are so many intelligent asantifo wa Ghana. Almost satia santimemu. Otumfuo nana odome me so me do piao. Ma mentia ona nanom na bi agimi. Me se uyi asantini a wejimi. Any cobra waso ne ni a obekawa. Mantama santini ni boduem first. Ye den pa homa na chichira santini jimifo no eboduem ansa na wadwene cobra no ho because sa santini a wejimi no or de se cobra nko 50 wejimi apro asa ye scorpion mujijejeja PZ na moton fake belt fake jeans mu wiawia nkofo tutu nkofo bag mu wia na mda koto red ne jantrafo o pa abansi case store na wo store mu amujejina mu fi we majority of you mu store o store ne de ehin mu store no ene de ehin uni store bojo ne kronu na oye aban ba be hwe nkofo mo wo fom abo mo a muri mu jimi yempe Muntakas fa mo no kokoma school fo nkodi sala eba Muntakas kozongo bia na cha 300 bags o hofa mo no mundi Muntakas Mubarak enkwasiafo so mo mpa mo na ya Ghana fo ekom di omo enti kozongo wo Ghana no na chiche 300 bags na ma imam fo no mompa yengusu no mundi sala eba akabe 3 days na ewie ye need time for nkwasiasem me na me ma oduane sa wundi a Muntakas fa kɔ mumu bi mu ye nwan wedwa hwɛ a whole party hwɛ campaign na mo ye ma Bawumia hwɛ mo campaign
any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia omoji dachi o Ghana for eye dachi ti nufusu o batan wasi nufusu any asitrenso da asitrenso ada na so nufusu enye dati se no asitrenso enso akwala no for so na manu nufusu no fi se enu na bebo akwala no na ga akwala su a utimi di asitren egu nsuo mu de makwa wona obebo na numa ya da but enye no na bebo akwala no nufusu anya de no ena bebo akwala no kana fo ya sremo ene ya sremo se mo hwe eniema abaya ye ekakitri dia jo Mahama ni NDC fo eja to ho ayeba ye tua saka yi nyina da ya twuto eniema ama Ghana fo ho ahare wo mo
party na mudi ejire no omo regional communications director ni o e wa Ashanti region why se kusie bibia wo ho bia se kusie hwe ne campaign message we na no de campaign ma Bawumia so Bawumia me di president o we omo campaign you time na no de campaign ma Bawumia no we a whole region omo communications director ni na me kusie hwe na nim oti light ase I say brisia ye dey sit kura so nenim tum ne message na ekuta mu 2024 nie monhwe message we na montoma Bawumia it is say the aduane aba na ne likes ne say ompa why are you worried Muntaka take the food to Zongo Moshi Zongo ho ye hia aduane di sallah time aba ye wonkofo bebre amuntumi nto nantwie go and give the rice to them go to Samsu Zongo go to Nima people are waiting for rice chief imam ohia mo dia cheche chief imam ofidi thousands of people in a day go and give the rice to chief imam to distribute Nkwasi afo so mo mpamu a otete omo ho so omo so ejimi fo we and then Mojin say on 1992 MPP there Ashanti region a stronghold so kasa ti omo a ye wa santifo nyansafo ne wa santifo nwe the same way one fantifo nyansafo infantifo nwe ye what eye dagatifo nyansafo dagati sa ne wa santifo ejimi fo me se hu asantini a wejimi a the qualified word ne wejimi a mantam no so hu asantini a wejimi na hu wo wa cobra jai cobra na asema no makobra ne mra odi makobra ne mra di nkan mantam asantini jimi fo no kwasi asam wemu apo na yango anim mamon kamo ho meti ese o ma apologize Muntaka fa mo no koma nkofo ndi una opedi ere na mde abana wo ba Afenyo beto ho nwom wo bodam. Now this is another story. NDC for asa ayade fufuro bi I will not continue one district one factory tax exemption. Mokai say 2024 Mahamudu Bawumia eko cabinet eko kachire cabinet say one district one factory companies over 300 more tax exemption over $300 million Mokai. Yes. Now NDC aban say sa scam na MPP for the buy no mo friend no one district one factory no or say enya de omobema obi ankwasi tax exemption bia no so oh yeah under one district one factory try and go buy your own stuff when you bring so obey juma because as we sit here your new company ekufo to see here or they are suburb former will see we ya wafa Ghana for juma wom all the companies were already existing companies if they were already existing companies that means they had source of funding and now buying the ebema tax exemption ma aban ho akire no NDC aban Ghana for ye hiska. This is not a time to be dashing out money. Iti Atoforsen, NDC Atoforsen, finance minister say he will not continue one district one factory tax exemption. Mokai sa oil refinery na kusibuatin kromfo na wayere se ponano. Oni Chinese ni bi e frontier and say your friend Sentio oil. Sa company na kusibuatin shechi trucks na company ni de kusibuatin dia. Now the Dankweku for Bawumia tax exemption close to $300 million. That company alone. Company any idea. Kwasi ampenyi biso be oil factory or Ghana. Ebe sin de onfa Ghana for ejuma 10. Na Ekufu de Jimmy no ne Bawumia mo say omunye tax exemption. And Kusibuatin and the boy be me publish Kusibuatin the bank accounts actually very soon. Sa boy na ofrontima Kusibuatin no I'll publish his bank details. Mema Ghana for nyide musika ekoho ni sika omuyi. I am saying this. Kusibuatin, any boy, First Atlantic, any other bank, no. I have all the bank slips. Maybe publish Kusibuatin, the bank statement actually. The boy now who is fronting for Kusibuatin, into Sentio oil, no. Omuma Kusibuatin, ejine chire. Cars biya almost said through a year tax exemption about Kruma biya Kusibuatin dia. All the trucks that belong to Sentio oil, it was Kusibuatin a share chire or no edia. Enti Atoforce ni NDC for say they are not going to give anybody tax exemption under one district, one factory. So also a one district, one factory. Now we are existing factory already. You should be able to find a way to do what? You need to find a way to fund yourself. Because government is about to put together National Women's Bank. Government is about to put together entrepreneurship program. Government is about to put together a 24-hour economy whereby government is going to give Ghanaian companies that are willing to work longer hours and also employ more hands, their exemptions and incentives. So government cannot give those things to companies that do not even exist. 70 to 80% of one district, one factory companies, they don't exist. They are lies. They created those scams to dupe Ghanaians. Into one district, one factory, no obienya exemption. John Mahama NDC Atoforce and say, obienwa oba benya one district, one factory tax exemption. Because almost share tax exemption echi Samira Bawumia nkwa sika onyafa sa tax exemption no ebe bo yem dam. They created fake companies. And omudi nyina ko share one district one factory ase. Samia Uku obi, Kojo Ponkruma obi. Everybody in the NPP created fake company and put it under one district one factory. In the Samukaya, a car by 1 week or so 1 month, MIA then. MIA to Abe no. Na NPP for parliament almost force say almost pass one district one factory the tax exemption and the NDC forecast said no because Afenyo Markin on or about 20 companies in under the one district one factory they don't exist, they only exist on paper. Do you remember time or more power na same way no catch this is what they told us Ekufuado Jimmy say no kan $335 million tax waiver request, full list of 42 beneficiary companies. Omuka say becha $300 million tax exemption and the Kufuado. Companies here saying 42. About 42 companies now Afenyo Markin were 13. Kasongo. Now our 13 companies in the 42 companies. And in original parliament ATM, one district tax waiver. It was because under one district one factory, about 90% of the companies on last year a MPP for MPs there. Ekufuado Gabi Mudia. So what they did was that they hid their corruption under one district one factory. And you're sorry, and you're pumping because a tax exemption. Now, I'm a fetchly into Obia company now. Company she knew you say a fall under one district one factory. Or person okoto articulators and I say okoto a year excavators 30 year. Now wakokra excavators no as a company that exists under one district one factory. Into excavators 200, 10. 50 ebedu porter yes company way fall under one district one factory into our tax exemption near Chiafim omuntu kapre. And that is what they did for 8 years. Mr. P, Mr. S, take care of business. I think on YouTube. You get it? So for 8 years, that was what they were doing. And we created different kinds of companies. And we share one district one factory as here and a show. Into the piano, this is the list. Let me show you the list. 42. Mr. P, Mr. S, I know you go through this, man, quick. These were the companies. My fan chamo, Kwasiafo way, and the end is somewhere year through. Kwasiafo na musa mamu to me. They created the one district one factory for themselves, and they were making billions from one district one factory. I swear. And they year through, no tax exemption. Yeah, the SAS Kenya 24-hour economy policy. Well, these were the companies they created. Companies in tax waiver 2024 Ekufuado MPP4. This was a year the one district one factory. These companies all your Tamsi Canada Momo. Yes, a company we friend B5 plus company. Your money 11.4 million on J Adaya tax waiver. Bibi or Weber Ghana have been an report out here. Kwasiafo and the NDC abanye twemu. These people they still have that intention say omunya tumia ombesa decide way aba. That is the plan of the MPP. Adibia and Emma making sika. They turned Ghana into a cash cow. They were making millions out of us because some of us are stupid. Now, Ferro Fabric Limited, yaman $8 million dollars. Dollars oh, yatam $8 million as tax exemption and the Kufuado and the MPP and the Bawumia. This was approved at cabinet. And about parliament and the NDC said no. This is not right. Now, there is Micro Forestry Ghana Limited. Mama go ahead, yes, so Oba company be to say a year Sonda Ghana Investment Limited, $22 million. Me I'm going to be a company no. A year then a Ghana buying to me one company tax exemption of $22 million. Adeng. These were all companies. Obeko omo board no so na MPP for dia. Obeko registration mu nyina. Me I can take my time and go find all the registration documents of these companies. Met my chiro omo eyo mo dia. And the MPP ni NDC ni authorises so mo twem. No one district one factory tax exemption. Ghana for Ayska. Mama show another one. A company called Sonda Ghana Limited. Hey, Sonda Ghana Investment Limited number 14. Whoa. And your Sonda Ghana Limited number 15. Sonda Ghana Investment Limited nya $22 million tax exemption. And a Sonda Ghana Limited nya $23 million. One company was splitting in Mienu, Wayabako Limited, and Wayabako Investment. To one company, we nya almost $50 million. Check number 14 and number 15. Mamin BM na ye. Oh, number 14 and 15. The same company. Was splitting company in Mienu. We biemu mienu waye baako investment company and waye baako de a limited liability limited company. Inti baako ni Sonda Ghana Investment Limited $22 million. $22.8 million. And a baako number 15 years Sonda Ghana Limited. And no see de and no see 23 million Ghana de $23 million. Own strategy no. We mu nyina. Now over down wa ubehu a company like Keda Ghana Ceramic Company Limited $15 million. $15 million. Nobody's going to get tax exemption. Authorises say we come. Now, I'm sure the other part of the companies, MPP from Kwasiafowi, they still want to come back and do this. Well, the rest of the companies. 2024, there's a company called Rickpat Company Limited, $366,000 tax exemption. Now, Mamencho, Oba RMSGPT Ghana Limited, 2.5 million. Now, brand number 42, last one, the Grand Champ Limited, 12.66 million. In fact, I was looking for sent you, right? Mama sent you, Mama. Besides, where did sent you go? When you guys find sent you, let me know. So these are Sika. Na Otumfuo Adum were taken from you Ghanaians without you knowing. And the NDC Authorises and say, there's nothing like one district, one factory tax exemption. There's nothing like that. Into your Ghana, this is a government that has come to protect the public purse and not to deplete it. Into Mamuntie MPP for Nkwasi number 32. Thank you. Mr. Ayska number 32 and sent you oil. Number 32. Mr. Number 32 should be down here somewhere. Number 32 and a shahono. Yankwasi ho. My mention was sent you oil. Kusi Boahen on it. Nenko for the creative company. Also refinery. Ewatema. Checking number 32. Sentio Oil Refinery. $164 million tax exemption. Nobody should give this MPP any opportunity in our life. When we fool, they were born stupid and criminals. Number 32, and the was your honor, Sentio Oil Refinery Limited. What be oil refinery or Ghana? Near some tax exemption of $164 million. Now, enquirati in Niasi, Omunyeduani ni. Enquirati ni desk, enquirati ni books. And my time that will form our hospital. Now, Kwasia catch them say, now we are Ghana now could be oil refinery or China. Will the Chinese government give you 164 million tax exemption? Where Kwasia? So we are Ghana ni. Now, so China could be oil refinery. Do you think the Chinese government will give you $164 million tax exemption? Ask yourself that question. The NPP is a stupid party. It's a party full of pigs. Okay? The reason why they don't like me, say, they know I will tell you the truth. The reason the NPP, they don't like me, Ekobedu, say, they know, say, I will show you the fact. Step be a better, the evidence in the and we have been talking about it in the NDC for some time. Sir, taxes are exemption here. Forget. All right. We will do that. And see, the issue is that Sadia Abane Chemuno. We are going to save over $400 million. It's me simple. So the government of Ghana is going to save over $400 million. If you say every single don't just see it say what we call a tax exemption. A whole Chinese company in Ghana, $164 million tax exemption. Nipa of 300. Near Tikroma so MPP so and Bawumia and Boahen, they are on standby waiting for MPP to lie to Ghanaians. Now you're Jimmy Tiansan to me my MPP. Now Omomra, now Omomama a tax exemption for $400 million for one Chinese company in Kwasiafoɔ. We will keep NDC in power for 42 years. Afenyo Markin over 12 companies will win 12. Afenyo Markin and anytime no parliament, ATM, Kia. care because he was fighting for his companies. He was not fighting for anybody. And in time they be Afenyo Markin say, I don't want ministerial appointment or say I'm a businessman. If you're a businessman and you're a legitimate businessman, stop politics and go do business. So a politician in a parliament catch will say, I am a businessman. Why are you doing politics? You are a thief. That is why you are doing politics. Because you need the politics to cover up your criminal dealings in your business. So politician in TV so Afenyo Markin Kasongo Jina TV so catch will say, oh, you know me, I have my business. I'm a businessman. That's why I don't take political appointment. Or boy, he is a criminal businessman. Now, for him to get his way and for him to bully the system and for him to use politics to make his way and win a lot of criminal deals, he uses politics to front for his business. Because this is the first time I will say, Obi Tigana Kajo or a full-time businessman, you're a politician. In America, Obi or a politician be a businessman. Their full-time occupation is a politician. And only in Ghana, na parliament say, I am not taking appointment because I'm a businessman. If you're a businessman, go to the business field and create job opportunities. Because the probability of you having conflict of interest in your duty, it is high. Because your business might have a business deal with a party who is friend to another party, which friend to another business, that will bring a deal to parliament for it to be passed. The moment that bill is passed, whenever that company is making revenue, it is indirectly going to trigger for your company to make money. So your business is not supposed to be in parliament. You are supposed to be a full-time businessman. It is all this Afenyo Markin say, I am a businessman, so I didn't take appointment because he's a criminal. When the NPP belongs to the opposition, they need to be in opposition for 42 years. Now, team, stay with me.